What's up guys, I'm Cool here, and today I'm gonna try to fix my grandma's phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy S4, which is an old phone, and the screen was like broken, cracked. It was cracked for a long time, but then I decided to replace it, so I took the screen off. I tried to take it, I took it off really bad, like it was really painful. I got like glass all over the place because I didn't do it properly. And then I thought I broke the ribbon cable, but I don't know if I did. But then I broke the digitizer. So then we had to get rid of this glass, and then we got this guy here, which is this touchscreen and the LCD underneath. And I think it's simpler in a way because there's a plug and then the tape, and then just screw stuff back together. So I mean that's that. And if I don't know what happened to the other video. But I did ask a couple pictures, so if I can find out, put it up on here. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, it's disconnected, Scott. I'm just gonna have to insert this to this side, and it's gonna go onto here, and it goes on perfectly. So now I'm just gonna put this ribbon cable, sorry. Sure, yeah, actually. I was like using my fingers for this, but what the? How do we click here? Wait, maybe not fold it. Wait, how's this stuff? Hold on. Let's pull these back up. Okay, go. But this guy's getting stuck here anyway. I plugged in this cable before the tester display, and it was working. The home button wasn't exactly working, so I wasn't sure what to do if I decided. And I think this was the cable, it might have been loose. But why is this cable not going on? I tried. That's weird. It's not going in. So I'm just gonna hold on 1 second. I'll put it back on frame. There we go. Okay. Alright, I just pushed it back in. So I pushed this one and this one. This one because I loosened it. And there is a screw that goes onto this side. So I'm just gonna take off the. Before I do that, I almost forgot actually. And I'll put the home button back. And I have to remove the sticky stuff on this side as well. So let's put in this home button, which I know goes like this. Think. Yeah, it looks about right. Here, let's put that in. Right, now take off the sticky. On that side, it looks like this. On here, get that out of the way. Okay, button fell out. I should have put in this beforehand, but I forgot. So, good thing I remembered, because you actually get a home button. Yeah. Right, now that's aligned. Now it's just a matter of lining the rest of it up. Okay, I'm just gonna shoot. If it should not be in, then this is definitely not lined up. Yeah, I'm gonna try one other thing. Yeah, wait. Since I got since I was able to connect this cable in, I'm just gonna disconnect it so I can make life easier. Where did the home button go? Ooh. Oh, it's stuck here. Okay. 6. So put this in like this. Close this up. So I know this home button is not cooperating at all. Please cooperate with what I have. Okay, there's a juke. Now let's put that. I want to use less thick, it's much less thicker than my finger. Currently it's working. So I have to bring out my flat part, because then it's, hopefully leave it on until then. Try this one then. Okay, so I'm just gonna like bring this a bit closer here so you guys can see and make sure everything looks quite about lined up to me. The whole button, I can feel the click, all the stuff at the top, camera, LED. So I'm just gonna press that down. Okay, which hopefully I think is set. It's set, but it's stuck. Alright, that's good. Now, don't want to forget this ribbon cable. Alright guys, so I'm back. So it was pretty quick. So this is a connection here that I made, and made sure all the connectors and triple checking actually. That all connectors are in, and I also put in the battery. Let me quickly talk about. This is the battery right here. So this one's actually a higher capacity. I think it's 2800 instead of 2600 milliamps in the regular battery, which is good, I guess. But I don't know. So it wasn't much price difference, I don't think, than the regular ones, and I feel like these had much better reviews. I mean, it's better. So even if it performs better, I have more capacity to make up for it. But anyway, and it came decently charged as well. So we got everything done. All it's left to do now is to put in the screw that goes here. So I'm just gonna take it off and screw it in. So you're just gonna see my hand anyway. Alright. Screw down there, right there, sorry, is all in. So now all that's left for us to do is double checking, make sure everything is good. I mean, it's not dirty anyway. I just put it under a fan and like float it out and stuff, so it should work. I'm gonna plop this in. Okay. Just snap in. Yeah, okay. It snaps in. Alright, that's good. Now there should be 7 or 8 screws. And if there is more, then there's a problem. So like I said earlier, I kind of like, I think I'm gonna overtime my notes a little bit. So I kind of like failed the first time, mainly because I was learning, and also because I didn't take it off properly. And then I was just because I thought that, like I said before, that the ribbon cable was broken, even though I don't think it was, but that I damaged the digitizer, so I took out the whole thing, which was also kind of painful. So that, I think that was a good like learning experience for me, and just say like, take the extra time to heat it up every single time and do it. But I just thought that if you ripped it off, it'll be fine. And there was glass everywhere. When I was taking off the LCD itself, everything, like I used a lot of heat, even though my hands got really hot. And just with like a regular hairdryer as well. So just take your time if you're doing it. And if you just need to know how to remove it, just when you take off the cover, you're just gonna take off these screws, and then there's a motherboard screw that I showed you, and then you move that ribbon cable, and there comes off the LCD. But then if you want to move the glass, quickly show you, okay, the protector is on. But this doesn't have a Samsung logo, but it doesn't really matter. That like you just heat it up slowly, and then you just like put like the removers, like you just heat it up, and you can use like these removers and slowly work your way in it. And just be careful here, because you don't want to damage these stuff. And then the ribbon cable runs along here, and you gotta be careful around here. And if you want, you can use like a piece of metal string, which then like the wire, then I can just use it to pull it through as well, just saying. So now let's go back, finish up the rest of these screws. Alright, let's screw that down. So, let's see, you got 3 more, and I have 4, so I have no idea where the extra screw came from. Maybe that could be it, because I didn't notice that earlier. So there are 8 screws actually. So just go ahead and do this one. So mainly I'm also doing this to learn, because even if you have like an old phone that doesn't work, it doesn't hurt to take it apart, because you're most likely going to throw it away. And I was able to, just by doing that, I was able to fix someone's iPod just because like it was not working. And then when I opened it up, I realized that the battery ribbon cable somehow came out. But because it was charging, well not charging, it was connected, it would like screen would come on, but took it off, it didn't work at all. Yep, so that's why even if you want to learn stuff, it's just good to do things like that. So, and if you're doing like watching a video for an old phone, that's probably what you're going to be doing anyway. So, yeah, alright, took into the last screw, and so I fixed the iPad, like, hopefully the video's out before this, so that one was, yeah, I guess also for learning, because the screen didn't work, and then other things. But, alright, so we're mostly done here, so now we just gotta check things in the SIM card. That will be an SD. Now this, I'll put in the cover, which I'm going to clean up anyway. And before I do that, like I said, that better battery, I'm going to use it because this battery kept draining quickly. So there's that one. And I'm going to pop, because this one's easy, just pop that in. And put the cover right onto the phone. Simple. And this one's just easy as well. You can just tab right there. Put your finger snaps into place, and moment of truth. I can feel it. I know it turns on, but I felt it vibrate. I don't know if you guys heard it. And it's on. I don't know. I feel like almost like this is an OLED or like a good LCD than the one before. And that's my opinion, or I'm just seeing things on this. But that's basically it. So the phone turns on. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one.